How to make a paper plate robin. These are the things you will need. Take your 2 paper plates and place one on top of the other so it's covering the bottom. Next, take your pencil and gently draw a line all the way around as a guide for painting. Using your brown paint, paint the top half of the plate. You could also use brown tissue paper. Paint the second plate brown all over. Then, using your glue and the red tissue paper, cut or scrunch pieces onto the bottom of the plate. Take the other plate and carefully cut a line down the middle so that you have 2 separate parts. When you're ready, using glue or tape, you can attach them as wings. Next, take a square of yellow card and fold in half. This will become the beak. Stick it to the middle of your plate. Next, cut 2 feet out from the rest of the yellow card and attach these to the bottom of your robin. Finally, take some large googly eyes and stick them onto the top of your plate. Now your robin is complete.